Hey GB family, welcome back to my channel. Well, I said that already, but this is future me editing the intro again because I wanted to say what keto was, just in case you didn't know what it actually is. So keto is a low carb diet. When you do keto, essentially you're eating no carbs, but it's quite hard to stay in a no carb range. So you could be doing low carb or you could be doing keto. It depends on your macros, but basically cutting out carbs helps you lose weight quickly and it puts you into ketosis. So ketosis is the process in which your body burns fat and releases ketones. Normally when you do eat carbs, they're broken down and that's used as your energy source. Since you're on a low carb diet and you're not eating carbs, your fat burns faster, so it can be used as an energy source instead. And essentially this is why you lose weight really quickly. So when I did keto, I lost 2 dress sizes in 4 weeks. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm literally going to try to, I've recorded this video today, I'm going to edit it and post it today as well because I just want it out. I want to help the people them, okay? So yeah. So my TikTok is kind of based around keto, so if you're interested in keto, weight loss, a low carb diet, or just trying to just be healthier, head over to my TikTok, make sure you follow me there. Also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will post more keto content. I tried to record this video like 2 months ago or so and I didn't get to finish it, so I thought let me do it now, let me get out of the way, let me not procrastinate. So this is my little mini keto haul. I'm going to show you some ingredients that I like to buy when I'm on keto. So this is just for like my next few recipes that I'm going to be making, and this is basically a keto shopping list. So if you guys want inspo on what to buy, because people do ask me what do I buy when I'm on keto, this isn't everything I buy, but this is currently this week's shopping. It might last longer than a week though. Here I have a mix of cauliflower and broccoli. They're both very keto friendly, low carb friendly. I did actually order 1 pack of broccoli and 1 pack of cauliflower, but I guess they didn't have it in stock because they gave me a mixed pack, which is not really what I ordered, and it's not ideal for me, but it's better than nothing. Got some mozzarella. Most cheeses are keto friendly, low carb friendly. I've never bought mozzarella like this before. Like I always get the grated mozzarella, but I've never got the soft mozzarella before, so this will be fun. I think I'm going to use it to make a keto pizza. Eggs are very good for keto. I got the biggest pack I could find, so this is the 15 pack. Coleslaw can be keto friendly. It depends on the serving you give yourself. I would recommend making it yourself if you can, because then you can actually ensure that it's keto friendly. But yeah, it is keto friendly. Check different types of coleslaw because some coleslaw has more carbs than others, but for the most part it's really good. Sometimes when I'm hungry and tired, I just quickly make myself some chicken and have coleslaw on the side if I don't really want to cook anything like that. Double cream, I have plans for this double cream. I'm gonna make something that's pasta like, but not with pasta, because obviously pasta is high in carbs, so you can't have it on a keto diet or low carb diet. So I got 2 milks. If you're on keto or you're doing low carb, cut out the cow milk. If you're even trying to lose weight and you're not even on keto and you're not on a low carb diet, just cut out the cow's milk. Cow's milk will do nothing good for you when you're trying to lose weight. I love cow's milk, especially the blue one. I love drinking it. I've always drank it like all my life. I just drink, I'll go to the fridge, pour a glass and drink milk. That's who I am. But almond milk is good. If you're allergic to nuts though, please stay away from this. Don't tell them I sent you, because I didn't send you. But if you can drink almond milk, please get unsweetened almond milk. It's so good for you and it's so low in carbs. Some tomato puree. This isn't necessarily keto friendly, but I'll be using like a small portion of it and I'll be sauteing my onions or cooking my mince or whatnot. So portion wise, it balances out. So yeah, I would recommend you get this, even though it's not keto friendly. If your carb count is like 30 grams, 25 grams, you could definitely fit it in. You're good to go. But if you're strictly doing like no carbs, then maybe not, but yeah. I got some chorizo. Now, I like getting chorizo because I don't actually like chorizo because I'm not a person that loves meat. I like meat, but I don't love meat. I don't like pepperoni and I like making keto pizza. I thought, cool, let me get chorizo. And ever since I started getting chorizo, I have been liking it. I'll put on my keto pizza, put in my omelette. I don't think chorizo needs to be cooked, but I do cook it a little bit. You can make nice little snacks with these. So maybe I'll make a video showing homemade snacks or my favorite keto snacks, and I'll incorporate this in there because I have so many ideas. And when it comes to keto, I'm really creative with the meals and the snacks and everything because it's so limited. So you have to be creative or you're gonna get bored, you're gonna get tired, and you're not gonna want to do it anymore. I try to keep it fun and easy, simple and tasty. So yeah, this is something I'll definitely recommend. Very easily, readily available in many shops, very affordable, normally around £1 or less, and it doesn't expire quickly. So this is even going off in over a month. Soft cheese is good if you're on a low carb diet. I love spreading it on my chaffles, and I actually use it to make my chaffles. So chaffles are keto waffles. Why are they called chaffles? Oh, because they're cheese waffles, but I don't put just cheese in mine. Like I make mine nice. I had to experiment a couple of times, try out different recipes, and I found out my perfect custom recipe to make it taste the way I like it the most, because I don't like it when it tastes too eggy and I don't like it when it tastes too cheesy. So I cracked the code and I spread it on top of my chaffles as well. Greek yogurt is good for a low carb diet. Don't get the one that's low in fat because it has more carbs, unless you want it for a different reason, then go ahead. But this has less carbs than the low in fat one. You have to, again, with this, portion control, know your macros, know what you're eating. Per 100 grams serving, it's only got 4 grams of carbs, and I like to have it with like a small portion of mixed berries for breakfast. And sometimes I add whipped cream on that as well, because whipped cream is low carb friendly. I didn't buy whipped cream in this shop, but normally I would. These are the mixed berries I was talking about that I'll add in my breakfast bowl. I'm so sorry if I'm talking too fast in this video, and naturally speak fast, and I'm just trying to keep it real. If you guys can't hear me properly, I will try and slow it down in my next video, but just let me know in the comments. And let me know if you have tried keto before. Let me know if this is similar to what your basket looks like, or if your basket is different. I do also buy different stuff, but as I said earlier on, this is just like this week's basket. Lots of fruits are high in carb. Berries are not really, so that's strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. You can have them with good portion control. So yeah, I'm not really even a berry fan like that, because I just sprinkle them with my yogurt. It creates a nice taste, and I just really like that. Here's some cauliflower rice, and it's from frozen. I've only ever tried cauliflower rice from like, not frozen, but like the dry food section. I'm just shocked they had it. It's my first time seeing it in Tesco, but probably because it was online. So I'm gonna try this out. But normally when I make my cauliflower rice, I do make it from scratch from an actual cauliflower. So you don't need to get cauliflower rice that's pre-made. But if you don't want to waste time making it, then I would advise you to maybe get it like this. But I'm not gonna advise you because I've not tasted it, so I don't know if it's great. But it must be okay if they're still selling it. Some people must like it. Also, for the first time ever, I've got frozen mushrooms. I'm kind of scared because I like mushrooms, but I like fresh mushrooms. And my problem is I eat the small packs too quickly, and the big packs are too big, so they just like expire before I get to finish them. So I thought let me try the frozen ones. Hopefully they taste just as fine, just as good. Hopefully I like it. Mushrooms are low carb, keto friendly, so if you like mushrooms, you're in for a treat because they're good. Here's some chicken breast, and here's some chicken portions. It's a nice mix of like chicken thighs and drumsticks as well. Mince is also very good on keto or low carb diet. Like, it literally has no carbs in it whatsoever. Sausages are good for keto, but there's different types of sausages. You want to always make sure you're reading the nutritional values and you're checking to see how much carbs are in the sausage. I've got sausage before that literally has like 0.5 grams of carbs in it, so basically none. And I've got sausage before that has like 7 grams of carbs in it, or 11 grams of carbs in it. So you want to check the type of sausage you're eating. Normally flavored fresh sausage has a lot of carbs in it because it's like very sweet. But yeah, just check the carbs before you buy it. But sausage is normally a safe option and very good as long as it's within your macros, and it normally is. So I like having sausage with my breakfast, but sometimes I'll have it in other meals as well. Bacon is literally perfect for keto or low carb diet. If you do eat bacon, definitely make sure you get it, add it to your keto shopping list. It's great for breakfast. You can add it in other meals as well. You can put it in like cheesy cauliflower, so definitely make sure you get yourself some bacon. Here's just another bag of cauliflower. This is just another bag of cauliflower broccoli. I would advise you to get a bag of cauliflower and a bag of broccoli so you can keep it separate, but I guess it's all they had. Definitely get coffee if you're a coffee person on keto, because it's really nice, especially with your breakfast. One thing I've got that I've never tried before are these keto wraps. They're not keto, but they're low carb. I'm not going to use this a lot because it does have quite a bit of carbs in it, but I'm only going to use it when it fits into my macros, or if I'm really in a rush to make a quick recipe, a quick lunch, or a quick breakfast, and it's a last resort. It's normally not in stock, so if you do see it and you want to try it, definitely try it whilst you see it there, because I've never actually seen it in stock before, other than this time. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you made it this far, and if you learned something new, make sure you like, make sure you share with somebody if they're on their weight loss journey, they want to start keto, or they want to eat low carb, or if you want to eat low carb, make sure you like it, make sure you're sharing, make sure you're commenting, and let me know what other type of videos you want me to make.